Why pay when you can do it yourself? Hey guys, tonight I'll actually be working on a 2016 Toyota Camry. I'm changing the front disc pads and actually the disc router too. So I'm gonna change the disc pads and the disc router on the front. This is pretty much how you do it, so you know exactly what's up, and we're gonna go ahead and get this done real quick. It's not much. I mean, you use your 21 or your 20 and you take your tire off. After that, you know, you take the brake caliper off, and then there's another part that you take off there. I mean, one is a 14 nut, the other is a 17. Once you take that off, you pull the router right off for it, and then pretty much you're done, you know. So let's go ahead and get this done. My friend Timmy's over here. He's actually working with me tonight, so he's gonna hold the camera and we get this done, you know. Yeah, so the first thing we're gonna do is take the tire off, have my inverter hooked up with my impact gun. Yep. Nice and easy. Once you take that off, these tires are pretty much on there snug, so you got to give it like a kick. There you go. One shot, one kill. And you put this tire aside because we're done with that. Now this is what I'm talking about, guys. Back here we have the 14 millimeter. Let me see if I can get some light on here. Yeah, that's way better with some light. So back here, these are the 14 millimeters. You're gonna undo this one, undo that one, and then to take that will take the caliper off. To take the entire frame off now, you undo these 17s. So 17 there, and another 17 back there. See? Trying to let you see. There it is. So that's what's up. So let's get that done now. Yeah, so let's get the 14s. Whoops. Take this off. This is one of my lights. Take this off first. With the 14 millimeter. So lifty loosey. Alright. The whole thing is spinning, so gotta use a 17. Put it on the front. Make sure it's not spinning. And then we take it off. That's tightening it first. Then we there we go. Take that off. Once you do that, take that nut out. Always try to put your stuff where you can see them, guys, you know what I'm saying? Make sure anything you take off you put down where you can see it. So now let's undo the other 14 back here. It's all the way down. That was easy. Whoops. There's the other 14 back there. Put it to the side. As you see now, this comes up. See? Take this, you put it aside back here so it's held up so it doesn't fall and damage your cable for your brake fluid. You put that to the side. Now we do the two 17s. So there's one on top and there's one down here. You can actually take the disc pads out at this point. You know, it doesn't matter. They're pretty much done. You take those out, junk, throw them aside. That's that, you know. And now we take this off with these two. Yeah, so pretty much beat it until it loosens, you know. If you're having trouble, you could actually turn the steering wheel this way, you know, so you can get a better hit, and you just whack that off. It's that easy. Take it off. put it to the side, and you put your new one on here. Easy does it. New one on. Take your bracket. You put your bracket back on. You get your nuts, and you put them back on there to hold it in place. Make sure it's lined up. Whoops. Yeah, so let's put this bad boy back on there. Like this. Push it in. Make sure this part catches. Nice and easy. Yep, there we go. That's pretty much in there almost all the way. Use your hand as much as you can, you know. Don't need to go all crazy using the sockets, and it's not really needed. There we go. Both of them is catched. Both of them is caught. The catch is Jamaican, man. Caught. So we caught the nuts, the bolts. Now we just tighten it back up. Same style, you know. So you do it there. Nice and easy. Yep. Nice and easy does it, man. Do the bottom one. Give it one more check. See? Yeah. You don't want this coming off. You're in the streets, man. Once you get that on, you know, you tighten that up. That's what I just did. You gotta put the caliper back on there. First you gotta squeeze this in. So just get a wide grip. You know, this is a channel lock. So you get a channel lock and you try to set it some angle on there. It's holding something. And you just squeeze. That's about it. There we go. That's a good grip. See? Slowly squeeze it in. It's good. That's right. All the way down, baby. Yeah. That's the hardest part of this job, man. I'm telling you. Squeezing that caliper in or taking the router off is pretty much the hardest part. Once you do that, you know, gotta put our new disc pads in there. See? New ones. We set these up in there real good. Like this, the curvy part to the back. Oops. Yep, curvy part space in the front on the back end. So you want to get that done right. A little harder on the back end. I think I got it. There you go. So, if you're having trouble getting it, all you gotta do is spin this around. See, that was easy. So you just turn it to you, so you know you can do better work on it if you're having trouble with the angle, you know. So you just take this, that's all the way squeezed in. So this part will be easy to put on. If this is bent up or whatever, you straighten it out. See, real easy. Squeeze these down to get past them. There you go. Take your 14s and you get them caught in the hole. Yep. Do the other side. Get them caught. Now we're gonna tighten these bad boys. If the entire thing spins like this, you just go right ahead and you get your 17 and you hold it, you know. Put the 17 on the front part here. What's going on with my 17? So once you get your 17 on there, you tighten it. Get 17 on there. Put your 14 on the back, and you tighten. You don't have to do too crazy. Just do it where you're comfortable, and that's about it. Turn your wheel back to the front. Make sure everything is good. See? Yep. You put your wheel back on. These wheels, you gotta take your time and you'll find a hole. That's what it is. Yep. I think I got her. Yep. And you put your nuts back on there. Always make sure you get these caught with your hands, guys. Don't try to be using the impact wrench, you know, when it's just about catching these nuts. You'll damage it, probably cross-thread it or something. So once you get it on there with your hands, you can use your impact wrench to tighten it all the way, you know. You just want to get it started like that. Get it started like that. We're almost done. Put this wheel back on. And that's it for us. Done. That's how you do it. Why pay when you can do it yourself? I'm out. Thanks, Timmy.